Hi guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for clicking. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the shapewear that you're supposed to own that are very comfortable. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first shapewear that I advise you to buy are these short shapewear. They go slightly above my knees and they go high to like almost under my bust line. These shapewears are very comfortable. They're beginner friendly. If you've never owned a shapewear, I advise you to go for this type because they just do what they're supposed to do. They lift your butt and then they just tuck in the tummy and give you that hourglass shape figure. And then also they're very comfortable and breathable. So guys, this is what I will recommend if you've never owned a shapewear. And then also there's a tutorial I shared with you on how you're supposed to wear your shapewear, especially this one, because I know some people who don't like wearing shapewear because they struggle putting it on. So there's a hack. I'll put the link in the description box down below so you can, just learn how to wear them. It's very easy. Like you can wear a shapewear in less than 3 seconds and you'll be done. The second shapewear that I recommend are these short shapewear. They're almost the same as the first one, but the only difference is that this one doesn't have a wire. But then again, I feel like they work the same as the first one. The only difference that this one is doesn't go like high to almost under the bust line. So as you can see, this one has a wire and then it's long. But then this other one, the second one, it's not that long, but they still work the same. So if you really don't like wires, you can go for this second one. But honestly, personally, I recommend this one, the one that has a wire. Though they almost work the same, the results will just be the same. Your tummy will be tucked in and then your butt will be lifted. You still get that hourglass shape figure. So as you can see, the reason why I was saying I love the first one is because of how long it is. So for this one, it might cause some back fat, but then these shorts are very comfortable. So as you can see at the back, you can see my back fat. That's what I was talking about. But then it's literally lifting my butt and then it's kind of tucked my fupa in. So this is how it looks in this dress. So there's not so much difference between the first one and this one. As you can see, they're almost the same. But then if you have a bigger tummy or if you have fupa, then I recommend the first one. Like it's kind of tighter compared to this second one. But then again, if you don't have a big tummy, this one will just work. So another shapewear that I recommend are these high-waisted underwear. They're actually my favorite. This type of underwears are always my favorite. I have another one that I've shared with you before, but then I felt like it was just too old. That's why I decided to get this new one. They're almost the same. They work the same. The reason why I love this type of underwears, these high-waisted ones, is that they kind of give that illusion of bigger hips and then they just tuck in the tummy. So I'm going to show you how you're supposed to wear them. If you've watched my previous videos on how to wear this type of panties, I'm just going to repeat the same hack. This is how you're supposed to wear this type of underwear. Not like this, because if you wear them like this, they are kind of going to press your hips in and then you won't look that hippie. So but then if you wear them like this, just like create that V, it's kind of going to create an illusion of bigger hips. So at the back, I won't lie to you, someone might notice the panty line because of course you've pulled the panty up. But then if you pair it with multicolored outfits, like I've been telling you, if you pair your shapewear or your corsets or your butt lifters in multicolored outfits, like no one is going to notice that you've worn a shapewear, or even the panty line might not be seen. So if I wear this in these leggings that I have on, someone might not notice the panty line, but then it's going to just give me that curvy shape, that hourglass shape figure. Another thing that you're supposed to know when you're buying this type of underwear, don't just buy the ones that are high-waisted. Go for the ones that are super high-waisted, that go to like under your bust line, because as you can see, if you buy the ones that go to just above your belly button, they still kind of not going to give you that hourglass shape figure or just smooth out everything. So yeah, just go for the ones that are very high-waisted to your bust line. So another shapewear are these tummy tuckers. I have I DIYed a tummy tucker for you a while ago. I really loved it, but for this one I felt like it just didn't give me the shape that I want. It didn't give me the results that I want, and it was extra small stroke small. I'm supposed to wear a medium size, but for tummy tuckers I advise you to go for a size smaller. If you wear XL, go for large, just to make sure that it, you know, it just squeezes everything in. So this is extra small stroke small. As I told you earlier, I'm supposed to wear a medium one, but then I just didn't feel like it tucked everything in. I think it's just good for bloating. If you're bloating, then you can wear this, but it's not just that good for, you know, giving you that shape that you want in an outfit. As you can see, my back fat is seen. I just didn't like it, and then the wire was like folding. Okay, there's something about tummy tuckers that I really don't like. I just feel like they always like fold or just don't give you that perfect shape. Or if I get another tummy tucker that is of good quality or just a different type, I'll let you know if, you know, I change my mind on it. But for now, I just don't like it. Or I'll also try it on someone else just to see if it's going to at least tuck some fat in. I also recommend this type of shapewear. This was actually my first time trying this type of shapewear, and I really loved it. I felt like my back was straight and then everything was tucked in. Like, it was just very comfortable. The only problem I had with it is if I wear it in a plain colored outfit, I felt like the hooks are going to be noticed. And then also if I pair it in a dress or an outfit that has a thin fabric, I felt like the hooks might be noticed. So, but I really loved it. I really loved how comfortable it was. I really love this bodysuit shapewear because, especially if you have saggy boobs, I recommend you get this, because especially if you want to wear like a low cut and top or dress, this bodysuit will really work so well. They kind of just give you that extra support with that lower part of this bodysuit instead of just wearing like a bra. Though I felt like it really didn't help so much on my tummy because I could still see my tummy, but I just love the fact that, you know, I could just wear it in this dress. So I'm also planning to try on the boob tapes just to see like how it look on me. I've never tried the tapes before, so I'll try it and just share a video with you as well. And also there's a video I shared with you on how you can wear your dresses, especially if you have saggy boobs, how you can wear your sexy dresses with bras. I'll also put the link in the description box down below just in case you're interested. So guys, when it comes to shapewear and bad lifters and all these guys, remember these are not going to give you permanent results. These are things that you wear, and then when you take them off, your tummy is going to go back to how it was. So this is just to make you have that confidence in your outfits, but then remember when you take it off, your body is going to just go back to how it was before. But things like corset, they really help a lot, because the more you wear them, the more they kind of just give you permanent results. So that was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.